So, as you grow older, it gets a little harder for us to lose weight as compared to when you are younger. But all hope is not lost. So if you're planning on losing weight, let us join together and see what this cabbage soup can do for us. So to get started, I'm steaming some tomatoes, red onions, red bell peppers, and some carrots. And then I'm adding in a little water for steaming. So on this other side, I'm working on the rest of the vegetables that have already been cleaned up. I have the ginger, I have the garlic, I have carrots, celery, parsley, and the cabbage. And I'm slicing the cabbage into two because I just need a piece of that cabbage. Cabbage is a superfood loaded with some antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It is high in vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and many more. Also, all these other vegetables we are adding are loaded with nutrients and they are very flavorful. So our soup is going to be very delicious and very healthy. So I am getting all of them prepped as we wait for the other vegetable to steam. This soup is also a good choice for anyone who is looking for a low carbohydrate diet. After I was done prepping them, I checked on my other vegetables and they are ready to go. I'm going to blend them and we are going to use the sauce to thicken our soup. On a different pot, I'm heating up some extra virgin cooking oil, added in some onions, let them cook for a little bit, and then I added in some tomato paste. I will let this cook for a few minutes, and then I added in our ginger and our garlic. And what we are doing here, we are building on our flavor because we want our soup to be very flavorful. And then I'm adding in the sauce that we had blended earlier. I'll then let it cook for a little bit, then added some chicken seasoning, cilantro powder, and some crushed pepper to add in some heat on the soup. I then give it a quick mix and let it cook for a few more minutes. And at this point, our sauce looks like it is ready. I'm now adding in the celery, the carrots, give it a quick mix, let it cook for a little bit. Then add the cabbage, give it a quick mix. And our vegetables are coming up very well. And then we are adding some beef broth. I bought this from our local store. If you like, you can make some from home. So what this diet soup does for you is that it limits your calorie intake and causes your body to burn fat for energy. This soup can be used as a substitute for your meals and can be combined with your other weight loss methods. So I finally added in the parsley and turned off the flame, and that soup was very delicious. And at this point, I'm kindly requesting your support to help me grow this channel. So if you have not done so yet, kindly subscribe, share, like, comment, and finally hit up the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. And thank you for watching. And I hope you have been inspired to go and try this recipe. So until we meet in the next video, may the Lord bless you, may the Lord keep you, may He watch over you, and may He give you peace. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.